Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Windows 10. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the activation settings. So there's two ways to get there. What you can do is come to the bottom left hand corner right here, click onto the start menu icon and then click onto system up here. Or alternatively, what you can do is just click onto the magnifying glass. Go ahead and type activation into the search box that pops up and you'll see underneath best match, you've got activation settings. If you go ahead and give that a click, that's going to take you directly to the activation page. So what should happen, you should now have a window that looks like this. And of course, by activating your version of Windows 10, it does get rid of the annoying little watermark that comes in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And it does gives you the access to more features. For example, you can change out the theme and need desktop backgrounds, which you cannot do on a unactivated version of Windows 10. So if you look towards the top, it's going to have the edition. So for my case, it says Windows 10 Home, and you can see this is activated. It says here Windows is activated. If it's not activated, it's going to say, of course, that Windows is not currently activated. What you want to do from here is just simply come down and you'll see this change products key link down here. So what you want to do is go ahead to give that a click and it's going to load up a window that's going to look like this. So wherever you got your product key from, whether you bought it from online or it's come with your PC, all you want to do is simply go ahead and type your product key into here. And once that's done, go ahead and click next down here. And what it's going to do is activate your version of Windows now. This does do it over the internet, so make sure you're connected to the internet for your PC. And what's going to happen, you'll get a confirmation message saying that Windows 10 has been activated, and it will be activated straight away. There's no sort of waiting periods or anything like that. And that's how you go ahead and activate your copy of Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.